Metcon pair of shoes. So let's go ahead and see. Okay. Hey, what up guys, Pavs Moneybags here, back with another sneaker unboxing, and today we have a really odd shoe. And when I say odd, I don't mean like it's an ugly shoe or anything. It's just that it's a shoe that I've seen in person, I'm pretty sure, but I never really paid attention to it. It's like one of those shoes that you just kind of, they don't convince you enough to like buy it, or you just don't need it for its main purpose. And with that said, today we have the Nike Free times Metcon, but it's not only the training shoe, it's the Cristiano Ronaldo version of it. The point is, this shoe is supposed to have like the Nike Free outsole, so one that allows you for your foot to move as you wish, because it's got the more flexible outsole. This is actually not the first Ronaldo training shoe from Nike that I've had. Nike Trainer V3, I think it was, with the 3.0 free outsole. That specific colorway that I had was like the first colorway that released for that training shoe, and Ronaldo posted him like an IG picture, and he actually posted these in a picture as well the other day. And I guess the story behind this specific pair and how I got it is that I was trying to cop the Jordan 11 cap and gown, so I was in sneakers trying to cop that pair and totally missed out on them. But then Nike tweeted that these had just released, so I went and copped them thinking that they were gonna sell out. But I've never really paid attention to this specific Metcon pair of shoes, so let's go ahead and see. Ooh. Whoa. I gotta say, it's a pretty crisp, pure platinum colorway. I don't know if I would rock these with like a regular outfit, but they're pretty crisp. I gotta admit, I'm still kind of deciding on whether or not I like these lines over here. I don't know. I feel some type of way because of them. But well, they got the CR7 over here at the top. Okay, let's go ahead and put these to the side, get rid of the box, and we can start looking at the details. But let's go ahead and start with the outsole, which, like I already mentioned at the beginning of the video, it's got the free Nike Free outsole. You do have a Nike swoosh over here towards the middle, but this part over here is more rough. It's got like a tough touch to it. But moving on over here to the inside, you do get these lines over here, and the pattern that I'm still not sure about. I don't know. I guess it kind of goes with the free outsole. On the outside though, you do have the same line pattern going through it, but you do have Metcon written on the middle of the shoe, or right across the middle. And now that we're in this general area, you have this reflective, transparent-ish plastic part with the Nike swoosh. So these have like this, I'm pretty sure it's a Portugal emblem, and then you do have a couple more lace openings over here on the plastic part, but the lacing system is mainly part of the upper already. You got fly wire coming out of the side over here in the middle of foot area. You have the CR7 over here in the tongue loop, but then the tongue itself is leather, which I think is a pretty nice touch, because for a training shoe to have leather, I don't know, it's just like I was not expecting that. So the heel loops are actually both leather as well, and then the same perforated leather is also found over here, closer towards the collar on the heel area. And then right below the heel loop, you have Nike Free written on the shoe, and then right below that you have this transparent bluish, I don't even know what this is. I want to say that I like this specific detail, but it doesn't really go with the whole color scheme going through the shoes already though. Like this is more of it's like a really light blue, and then the whole color scheme going through the whole shoe is a pure platinum. And I just noticed that there's a Nike swoosh over here in the front, and on the insole on the right shoe you actually have nothing, no Nike branding, no nothing. But on the left shoe, you of course have the Ronaldo signature. I want to say that's it for the details. And at first I know I said maybe you can't really wear these unless you're working out, but maybe you can. You know, it's a matter of how you rock them. Let's go ahead and see how these look on feet. But anyways, guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to keep on watching more sneaker unboxings that are coming up in the future. And remember that if you like this specific pair of shoes, they are going to be linked in the description. I don't know how much they're reselling for. Again, some sizes sold out on Nike, so I haven't checked on that, but the links are going to be down in the description. But once again, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Peps Money Bags. Out.